Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 5 of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, a food ordering system is an example of a computer system that is made up of subsystems. The food ordering system allows the user to enter the details of the food they want to order and to pay for the order. Displays food available as pictures or as a list. Complete the structure diagram for the given parts of the food ordering system. Let's analyze the question first. Question is to complete the structural diagram of food ordering system. To complete the structure of the system, we need to first identify the parts and subparts of the system based on requirement. Based on requirement, the system will have two main parts. First part is to take the input from user. And second part is to display available foods in pictures form and in list form. Now input from the user can have further subparts like display the choices for users' ease to select foods. Secondly, users should be able to order the food. And at last but not least, that users should be able to do payments too. Similarly, the display part can also be divided into further parts like display the available foods in the form of pictures, and also display the available foods in the form of lists. Great! We have solved the question. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.